Aisha McCauley, and you're watching AccessTV.org.
All right, and we're back at Small Business Night Out. We're at Boca Rosa Restaurant, Bar, Wine, all right here in downtown Hartford on Main Street. So if you're ever in the area, please stop by. And if you're ever having an event and you want your pictures to look beautiful, then you need to see my good friend. We went to high school together, so I know his work is immaculate. My good friend Jaden, he owns a business called 3D Photography, but why should I talk about it when he's right here?
Hi, good afternoon. How are you guys doing tonight? Thank you, G Money, for interviewing me. I'm just here to let the people know that, I'm, like you said, I'm available for all your events. Doesn't matter what it is, private events, corporate events, even if it's, I got a new dog, anything along those lines. If you need a photograph, I'm your guy, and that's pretty much it. I could be contacted via Facebook at Jade N. Thomas or 3dphotobiz@gmail.com. And my Instagram is at AxisJada, AXISJADA. And yeah, that's pretty much it. We also offer a videography service. So, weddings, like I said, the list goes on and on as far as coverage. And we're here to serve you, the community. And once again, G Money, SBNO, thanks for having me. And before I go, I'd like to introduce my friend, CC Bellamy, and what she has to say.
Hi, I'm CC Bellamy, and I'm a barber, and I work at Champions Barbershop in East Hartford. 1227 Burnside, East Hartford, that is. And, come down, get your hair cut. I hope to see you. All right, thanks.
Wait a minute, Cece, I thought you was a model. I thought you was the product of his photography right here. And you mean to tell me that you're a barber?
Yes, I am.
Well, my barber is highly upset right now because I just found a new barber, man.
Her work.
Well, I need something pretty to be rubbing up on my head, you know what I mean? Sorry to my barber, you know what it is. But listen, we're coming back with more. These are just two of our wonderful people we have here in the city of Hartford, and I got a lot more to introduce you to, so you make sure you keep it locked right here.